Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a time attendance machine with a computer. First, identify the connection options your machine offers, such as USB, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi. Each method has distinct advantages, so select the one that best fits your environment. For instance, USB is simple for a single computer, while Ethernet allows network-wide access. Understanding these basics is your first step towards seamless integration and efficient data management. Once you've physically connected your time attendance machine, the next crucial step is installing the accompanying software. This specialized program, usually provided by the manufacturer, acts as the bridge between your device and computer. It enables data transfer, configuration, and reporting. Always follow the installation wizard's instructions precisely to ensure all necessary drivers and components are correctly set up for optimal performance and reliable operation. For Ethernet or Wi-Fi connections, proper network configuration is essential. It's often best to assign a static IP address to your attendance machine, ensuring consistent network visibility. Verify that both your computer and the machine are on the same network subnet. You might also need to adjust your computer's firewall settings to permit communication, typically on specific ports like 4370, to ensure smooth data exchange. With everything connected and configured, you can now transfer attendance data. Use the software to initiate synchronization, pulling employee clock-in and clock-out times from the machine to your computer. Remember to regularly back up this valuable data to a secure location, perhaps weekly or daily, to safeguard against loss. The software then allows you to generate detailed reports, manage schedules, and process payroll with accuracy and ease, streamlining your operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.